All right, guys, we are back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti. And today, we are at a little Mediterranean restaurant called Dune. And I'm gonna try out some falafel. This is an inherently vegan dish. I love Mediterranean food, so let's see how Dune does falafel. All right, guys, we got our falafel right here. Let's see what all the hype is about. Whoa, 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 whoa. That does smell good. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to brass tacks. Let's see how this tastes. Got a little parsley on there, gonna try that out. This vegan falafel, this right here is fire. Very tasty, very flavorful, lots of spices, not hot, but tons of different seasonings, savory. I love Mediterranean food. I'm a hummus guy, kebab guy, tabbouleh. This just sold me on the falafel. Put some respect on falafel's name. Lights out, man. Shout out to Dune in Atwater Village. They know how to do falafel, because this is no joke. This concludes another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe to the channel. Tune in again next week for another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid.